Okay guys, I'm showing you my BISSELL. This is a it's a little sweeper, basically a carpet cleaner, or floor cleaner basically, and it is cordless, and I use it all the time. And since that light seems to be coming in, I think you can really see the stuff on the floor, right? I think you can actually see that. Now I can see it, so I think you can see it. I need to clean that up really quick before I run the mop through. And let me tell you, it's a good little machine. You see all that little stuff? You can see it. I can see it. There you go. I'm going to get it up before I actually use my mop to clean the rest of the floor. So this is really good when you need it to just do some little quick cleaning. Because ain't nobody got all day for this. Okay? Ain't nobody got all day. Now this is a definite another review of my my cleaner. My my vacuum cleaner right here. Okay? My little cordless vacuum cleaner that I keep on hand.